Ever stared at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? Like, you know you got paid, but somehow it vanished into thin air? You've probably heard of YNAB, you need a budget, right? It's the gold standard for zero-based budgeting, but let's be honest, that subscription fee can be a bit of a hurdle. So, the real question is, can you get YNAB-level control without spending a dime? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. You're not alone in wanting a free, effective budgeting tool. Many people are searching for alternatives that offer similar features to YNAB without the ongoing cost. Let's dive into what makes YNAB so powerful and then explore some fantastic free options. What makes YNAB so effective? It's all about the zero-based budgeting philosophy. Every dollar gets assigned a job. This means you're not just tracking spending, you're proactively planning where your money will go before you spend it. This gives you incredible clarity and control. Key features include envelope budgeting, real-time syncing with bank accounts, and detailed reporting. Now, let's look at some free alternatives that capture this essence. First up, we have budgeting spreadsheets. Yes, the humble spreadsheet. Don't underestimate its power. You can create your own zero-based budget using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. There are even free templates available online that mimic YNAB's functionality. You can categorize your expenses, track your income, and see exactly where your money is going. While it requires a bit more manual input, it's completely free and customizable. Next, consider Actual Budget. This open-source web application aims to replicate YNAB's core features. It allows for envelope budgeting, bank syncing through Plaid, though some banks may require a paid subscription for this feature, and detailed reports. It's a great option for those who want a web-based experience without the subscription fee. Plus, being open source means it's constantly being improved by a community of developers. Another strong contender is Aspire Budgeting. This is another Google Sheets-based option, but it's designed to be even more user-friendly than a basic spreadsheet. It provides a clean interface, robust reporting, and even allows you to track your net worth. It's a great choice for those who prefer the flexibility of a spreadsheet but want a more guided experience. Finally, don't overlook Mint. While Mint isn't a strict zero-based budgeting tool, it excels at tracking your spending and providing a clear overview of your finances. It automatically categorizes your transactions, creates budgets, and even provides insights into your spending habits. It's a great option for those who want a simple, automated solution. When choosing a free alternative, consider what features are most important to you. Do you need bank syncing? Do you prefer a web-based or spreadsheet-based approach? How important is detailed reporting? Each of these options has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth trying a few to see which one best fits your needs. Remember, the most important thing is to find a budgeting method that works for you. Whether you choose a spreadsheet, an open-source application, or a more automated tool, the goal is the same: to gain control of your finances and make your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.